Hello and welcome. Now, what will be the biggest threats to your health this year? Is it dengue or Ebola? Well, here's the World Health Organization's list of biggest global health threats of 2019. Now, air pollution and climate change top the list. Polluted air has claimed 7 million lives every year and affects over 1 billion people. The Director General of World Health Organization termed air pollution as the new tobacco. Air pollution has been linked to a host of health problems, including dementia, asthma and heart diseases. Now, according to WHO, non-communicable diseases would pose the second biggest threat to your health this year. Non-communicable diseases include cardiovascular diseases, cancer, diabetes, chronic respiratory diseases and mental health challenges, among others. Non-communicable diseases are responsible for 41 million or 71% deaths globally. The World Health Organization says, and I quote, "The risk of these diseases has been driven by 5 major risk factors: tobacco use, physical inactivity, the harmful use of alcohol, unhealthy diets and air pollution," unquote. Now, WHO predicts that an influenza pandemic would be the third biggest threat to global health this year. But it is not sure when and how the epidemic will hit or how severe it will be. Now, this year's prominent strain is H1N1 or swine flu. Health crisis in vulnerable places also poses a major health risk and features at number 4 in WHO's chart of the biggest global health threats of 2019. Now, WHO says that over 1/5 of the world's population lives in crisis areas such as drought, famine, conflict or displacement. Now, these 1.6 billion people have no access to basic health care. And according to the World Health Organization, the 5th biggest health threat this year stems from antibiotic resistance. Now, resistance to antibiotics is a result of overuse of antimicrobials in both people and animals. Now, this can lead to inability to prevent infection, which in turn would compromise surgery or procedures such as chemotherapy. Now, India is the worst abuser of antibiotics in the world. You heard that correct. India is the worst abuser of antibiotics in the world. According to a report, the use of antibiotics in India went up 103% between 2000 and 2015.